What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly clear up your iOS device's storage. Running out of space can be a real hassle, especially if you want to update your device or capture those important moments. Before we dive in, it's always a smart move to back up your device to iCloud or a computer to safeguard your data. Let's kick things off by checking how much storage you're currently using. Head over to your settings, scroll down and tap on General, and then select iPhone storage or iPad storage depending on your device. You see a bar displaying your local storage usage, broken down by categories like apps, photos, mail and more. It might take a moment to load, but this overview is crucial for identifying what's eating up your space. Next, take a look at the recommendations offered under the iPhone or iPad storage settings. These are tailored suggestions based on your usage patterns. For example, the tool might suggest offloading unused apps. This feature uninstalls apps you haven't used recently but keeps their data, allowing you to reinstall them later without losing any information. If you've tried the recommendations but still need more space to free up, it's time to dive into manual cleanup. Scroll in your storage settings to find a list of apps and how much space they're using. For apps taking up unnecessary space, consider offloading them. Select an app and then proceed to offload it. This action removes the app but keeps its documents and data. If you're sure you won't miss the app and its data, you have the option to delete it entirely. Just remember, if you haven't backed up your device, some data may be lost forever. After tidying up, head back to your storage settings and admire your hard work and enjoy your newfound space. This simple cleanup can make a world of difference, ensuring your device has room for all the updates, photos and apps you need. And that's how you can free up space on your iPhone or iPad. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.